One chicken, one spaghetti, one french fries please. Kasya yan, kasya. Kasya yan, kasya. Go ka ba? Anong kasya? Dalawang ano yan, oh, sandwich ang ano mo dyan. Sandwich ang labas mo dyan. Kasya yan, kasya. Kasya. Kasya, 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 kasya. Lawag pa eh. Sandwich ang abutin mo sa dalawang bus na yan. Ano ka, malas-malasin ka. Naman to. Uy, ticket. One chicken, one spaghetti, one french fries please. Ayun, nabutan pa. Loving you forever. Deep inside my heart you'll leave me never. Even if you took my heart and sorrow apart, I will love you still forever. You are the song, you are my life, and you're the last thing on my mind before I go to sleep at night. You're always around when I'm in need, when trouble's on my mind, put so at ease. There's no one in this world who can love me like you do. There is no reason that I wanna spend forever with you. I've been loving you forever. Deep inside my heart you'll leave me never. Even if you took my heart and tore it apart, I will love you still forever. Yo, good morning. Okay, umulan ka. Without the fun, we've made mistakes, but who will guess along that road will learn to give and take. It's so much more that I could have dreamed. 'Cause you make loving you so easy for me. There is no one in this world who can love me like you do. There is no reason that I wanna spend forever with you. I've been loving you forever. Deep inside my heart you'll leave me never. Even if you took my heart and tore it apart, I will love you still forever. People killing, people dying, doing hurt in your head and crying. Can you practice what you preach? Don't you turn the other cheek? Father, 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 help us and some guidance from above. 'Cause people got me questioning, where is the love? Chemical gases fill the lungs of the little ones with ongoing suffering. As a youth, so ask yourself. So I could ask myself, in this world that we're living in, people keep on giving in, making wrong decisions on the visions of the dividend, not respecting each other. Dinada, brother. Our words going on, but the reasons in the go. The truth is kept secret, it's swept under the rug. When you never know love, when you never know love, where's the love, yo? Where's the truth, y'all? Where's the love, yo? Most of us only care about money making, selfishness, and the wrong information always shown by the media. Negative images is the main criteria, infecting the young minds faster than bacteria. Kids wanna act like what they see on the cinema. Whatever happened to the values of humanity? Whatever happened to the fairness and equality? Lack of partners leading us away from human unity. That's the reason why sometimes I'm feeling under. That's the reason why sometimes I'm feeling down. There's no one to rise. Sometimes I'm feeling. Can I keep my faith on the lover bound? Where is the love? Where is the love?